In this video, we're going to look at how to calculate the volume of a cone. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of cone we're looking at, whether it's a traffic cone, ice cream cones, and so on. Cones always have the same general idea. At the base, we've got a circle, and it's joined by like a curved three-dimensional kind of triangle that comes up to an apex at the top. Now, from there, then we can say that if we've got a circular base, we can find a radius, and there's always a height to a cone as well. This is defined as going from the middle of the circle at the bottom up to the apex at the top. Now at National 5 level, the formula for volume of a cone is given to you. This is defined as volume equals 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. And remember, in algebra, we don't tend to have the time signs in between them, but remember, things that are side by side are multiplying together. So let's just launch straight into a couple of examples then. We've got this one here. Let's say the height of this is going to be, I don't know, 18 will do me, 18 centimetres. So here we've got the distance going across the full base of the circle is 5. Now that's not our radius though, our radius goes from the middle out to the edge. So if this is 5, then this is halfway, it's 2.5 centimetres. So we can say that volume equals, and always state the formula first, 1/3 pi r squared h is 1/3 of pi times 2.5 squared times our height, which is 18. Now, as I've shown you probably in a couple of videos beforehand, this is probably one of the best calculators to have for this job, especially for National 5. It's certainly one that I would recommend. We'd want to put this in the calculator then. So we've got 1/3, so press fraction, 1/3, shift, and the bottom we'll see is where pi is. See, it's in yellow. That comes up on the screen. Times 2.5 squared times 18. Now, we'll get something that's in like a fractional form with a pi at the end. We press the SD button, that will give us the exact answer, well, the rounded off answer anyway. So 117.8, that's it, 2 decimal places, 81 centimetres cubed. Okay, that seems easy enough. Let's try another one then, a slightly wider one. I know it's off centre a little bit. The same principle applies. Let's say that the height here is going to be 12 centimetres. That'll do. Nobody really cares what the heights are going to be, but right, so volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. So 1/3 of pi times, radius this time is given to us, centre to the edge, 8 squared. Height is 12. I'm going to shove that back in the calculator. So rather than having to do this, we'll just delete some of the numbers in here. So 1/3 pi times 8 squared times 12 gives us 256 pi, but we don't like it in that format. Press the SD button, 804.25. So 804.25 centimetres cubed. So all we have to do here is read out or recognise what the shape is, make sure we write down our formula, put the numbers in correct, and give our correct answer underneath with units, and make sure that your answer has been rounded correctly. Easy enough. Loads of examples available for you, and I've just dropped my ruler again. Seems to be the common theme in this set of videos. Try and not do that in the next one. Thanks, guys.